Raita Mitra Vermi Compost.
Yes, sir.
In what package it will come? 20 kg and 50 kg bags. 20 kg and 50 kg. Two bags, two types, two packings. 20 kg and 50 kg packings. A big applause to Raita Mitra. So Raita Mitra has decided that they will form, register a firm under Limited Diabetic Partnership Act, and they name it as Bio Enrich LLP. Bio Enrich LLP. And they want to start with their own funds. They don't want any logo also. Can you draw the logo, please? Applause.
ಲೋಗೋ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಕುಂಕುಮ ಇಟ್ಟಂಗೆ ಲೋಗೋ.
Logo. So that's the Right Mitra logo coming up, and it's so specific and so clear. The firm's name is Bio Enrich LLP. They want to start with their own funds, and they want to prepare vermicompost. The brand name is Raita Mitra Vermi. Packing, they want to have it 20 kg and 50 kg packing, and their logo looks like this. Fantastic. When the LLP will begin its operations, when it will begin? Tomorrow. But you need to register. Registration process will begin tomorrow. Yeah, registration process will begin tomorrow. Excellent. Excellent. Fantastic. So, who is the next group? Who is watching it? Vishesha? Vishesha, come. Who will come? Ottige Banni. Excellent. Banni Ottige. And present in the same lines. Please. That is yours.
ಅಪ್ಪ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಹೊಡಿದಾರೆ, ನೀವು ಹೊಡೀರಪ್ಪ.
You can face the audience.
ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ಗಳು.
Our business plan is mainly about adding nutritional value to the agriculture products, mainly.
You write it in the same column, like who are you and what is your company name, and whether you are sourcing funds or your own funds or combination.
ಅವತ್ತು ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಟು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು.
ಹೇಳಿ ಬರೀರಿ,
Presentation alwa, let others also know.
ಹಾಂ, ನಾವು ಮೂಕರು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು.
Okay.
Ours is we are going to present. We are going to add the nutritional value to the millets, and we are going to have a LLP and
LLP not right it? You want to have a LLP?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Then our brand name is Sridhanya, since we are going to use the millets.
5 minutes.
ಯಾರು ಹೇಳೋದು ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಟೀಮ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡು, ಟೀಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡು, ಅವರೇ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ.
And LLP's name, you have just mentioned only LLP, nutritional value LLP. Okay.
In
And name will be like that, nutritional valuation LLP. Huh? Okay, anyways, no problem. Okay, and what is your product? Product, in the end, product, like vermicompost is their product, the Sridhanya is your product, but funds, whether your own funds or own funds. You want to start with one fund first. Later, if you require, you can take funds. Good.
ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅಲರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಅವ್ರು 1 ನಿಮಿಷ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಅರ್ಧ ನಿಮಿಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಇನ್ನು ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚು 1/4 ನಿಮಿಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿರಬೇಕು.
ನಾವು ಕೊಕೊನಟ್ನ ಕಲ್ಪವೃಕ್ಷ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ. ಕೊಕೊನಟ್ ಇಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಟೆಂಡರ್ ವಾಟರ್ ತಗೋಬಹುದು, ನೀರ ಕೂಡ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದರಿಂದ ಈಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಕೋಕೋ ಪಿಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅದನ್ನ ಇವನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಸ್ಕೆಟ್ ಲೀಫ್ ಇನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಸ್ಕೆಟ್.
So you tell your products now, and let's tomorrow you can elaborate. But now you just mention your products and products. You want to share more?
Yes, sir.
No, it's my humble request. Tomorrow you need to make what sir has told. No, according to his guidelines only. I'm not adding one more thing to you. You have to prepare one project report. It may be 10 pages or 100 pages. We don't know. Never restrict you. It may be 6 pages also.
Yeah. Yeah.
But it's my sincere and humble request is tomorrow you need to bring your project report of
Correct.
us.
Correct. Done? Yes. Okay.
Back home you work out.
Applause. Applause to Ishwar. Now, who is working in? Asna.
ಹಾಂ, ಪೆನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ.
Asna, come. So they have Vishesha also given their logo. Great applause to Vishesha. Yeah, Asna, please.
Ours is the Ashna Group, and mainly we will be starting our coaching institute to teach and coach for NEET and ICR exams. So the name is Crack You.
Crack you. Wow, good. Sounds better.
With the logo of Chalo Crack Kare.
That is
Sorry,
tagline, huh?
tagline, sir.
Yeah. Chalo crack crank. Wonderful. Wonderful thought.
Basically, firstly, we will be accommodating for 100 students with among our members who will be voluntarily willing to teach to them. So mainly, we will not be taking any kind of funds from anybody or any kind of loan. So we'll be investing our own money.
You'll start with your own funds.
Yes.
Oh, funds, you write it in the funds area. Funds column, own funds. And you register it as
LLP.
LLP only?
Yes.
Okay, good. Everybody wants to LLP. No private limited?
No, sir. That's it, sir. And
And what is the name? Crack you LLP, huh?
the name will be just Cracking.
Crack you LLP. So crack you LLP. Okay. Before LLP you write crack you. That's a brand name as well as crack you is a brand name as well as a LLP name, firm name. Excellent. Like Byju's. Excellent. Good. So what are the products? ICR preparation and NEET preparation. And NEET for whom? For MBBS or PG?
For MBBS.
For MBBS. And ICR for
AIEEA UG.
UG. Good, great. Applause to Ashna. So Savaya Sattva. Welcome Savaya Sattva.
ಟೈಮ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ಸು.
Our group Savaya Sattva. We are having the group tagline of farm to home.
Farm to home. Wonderful.
logo of Farm to Home. And
Bit louder.
Agrofresh LLP.
Agrofresh LLP. You are also under LLP only. Okay, applause.
Fund by share capital.
Huh?
Fund by share capital.
Share equity. Okay. Equity. Okay. Equity funded.
Here our products are like processed foods.
Process. What is it?
Sir, like milk products,
Specify.
sweet.
Write it. Name it. Dharwad peda. What peda? Name it.
Yes, sir.
Raichur peda.
Rasmalai. Rasmalai.
Rasmalai. Which Rasmalai?
Agrofresh Rasmalai.
Agrofresh Rasmalai. Wonderful.
Is it organic or chemical?
Organic.
ಸೊ ನೀವು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇದೆಯಾ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್
ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ
Agrofresh mushrooms.
Agrofresh mushroom also. Wonderful.
And
Where do you
Agrofresh
sell? Is it a B2C firm or a B2B firm?
B2C, sir.
B2C firm. Wonderful.
From farm to home, sir.
But mushroom, it could be even B2B also, no? You want to go online?
Online.
Okay, great. Wonderful. Yeah. Go ahead.
Agrofresh honey, sir.
Agrofresh honey also. Good.
Is it procurement or production?
Production and packing, branding, protecting product and then selling it in the retail counter.
Procurement can also be an activity
They will procure
from
farmers.
factory.
How do you, sir's question is how is the honey is a procurement or a production?
Production, integrated
You-
farming. We have planted floriculture, sir.
No,
Maybe farming.
no farm. It will be in your own farm or you will procure it from farmer's farm. From where do you get land?
Floriculture.
From where do you get land?
We are planning for 30 acre land, sir.
In 30 acre land, is it enough to launch a LLP? You need to be.
Initially we will start plants, sir, and later we will increase.
ಸೂಪರ್
Yes,
ಸೂಪರ್
excellent.
ಸೂಪರ್ ಸೂಪರ್
We are going
Have you
for
told you, no? Hydroponic technology we are going to implement. It will help you. No need to buy.
So floriculture and honey will go in. They'll complement each other.
Yes, sir.
ಯು ಆರ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಟೆಲ್ ದಟ್
integrated we are planning for integrated farming, sir.
Excellent, excellent, good, wonderful.
Nothing is waste in this plant, sir. One output that byproduct will be used as an input for the other enterprise like
Yes,
products.
excellent. You are done? Thank you.